going to add a new source to my Noodle Tools, and right now I'm going to show you how to add a news article to Noodle Tools. So first I'm going to click New Source, I'm going to go to Website, go to Web Page, and then here's where you want to focus when you're adding a news article from a major news publication. So on the other tab, I have the New York Times open. I'm going to go over there, grab that, pop it into here, and then what you're going to see is that this button that says Smart Import shows up. So I'm going to click that. It says check fields for accuracy, then save. I scroll down, it has the author, it has the title, right? So I'm going to make sure that looks right. There's the title, here's the author, and then I'm going to put most recent date of access. I click today, it fills in today's date, and then I hit save. Now that source is right in my bibliography. When I go back to the New York Times, I'll also have this option to learn more about the author, and then I can kind of evaluate his bias, his opinions, and his information. That's it.